Imagine this, your phone is on silent, no lights, no sounds, yet somehow you know you're getting a call. That subtle buzz in your hand, that's the vibration motor at work. But how does it actually function? And how has it transformed over the years? From a clunky, shaking piece of machinery to a precise tap that feels almost human. Let's dive into the basics. Inside nearly every mobile phone, there's a tiny motor dedicated to one job: creating vibrations. The earliest and most common type is the Eccentric Rotating Mass motor, or ERM motor. It's quite simple. Picture a small weight attached off-center to a spinning motor. When it spins, that weight creates an imbalance, shaking the entire phone, much like a lopsided fan. It's simple and effective, but not exactly refined. Then came the Linear Resonant Actuator, or LRA motor. Instead of spinning, it vibrates back and forth in a linear motion. Think of it as a tiny speaker that doesn't produce sound. An internal spring-mounted mass moves in sync with alternating current, generating consistent, precise vibrations. These motors are faster, more energy efficient, and provide a cleaner feel compared to the older ERM type. This was a pivotal moment when haptic feedback began to feel intentional rather than just an aggressive buzz. But we're not finished yet. Today, premium smartphones utilize something even more advanced: the Taptic Engine, often powered by a linear actuator or a Taptic Engine. This isn't just vibration, it's communication. These motors can simulate textures, taps, and even mimic button clicks without any physical buttons present. They use sophisticated wave patterns and precise frequencies to create immersive tactile experiences. That satisfying keyboard click or the subtle tap when you swipe? That's the modern vibration motor operating at an entirely new level. And it's not just about the hardware. Software is now intricately integrated with these motors to fine-tune the timing and intensity of every feedback. When you're gaming, you feel the recoil. Typing gives you real-time tactile responses. Navigation gestures, smooth haptic transitions. We've evolved from noisy mechanical buzzers to finely tuned, emotionally intelligent systems. Here's a fun fact. Some companies are exploring multiple vibration motors placed across different zones of the phone. The goal? To simulate three-dimensional feedback. Imagine feeling a swipe that travels across your phone's screen, or a notification that gently taps you in a specific corner. The future of haptics isn't just about vibration, it's about touch communication. Now, let's take a moment to reflect. Early vibration motors relied on spinning weights to shake your phone. Today, modern haptics use precise pulses to create the sensation of tapping. The difference isn't just in how it works, it's in how it feels. So, the next time your phone taps you gently during a message or gives you that crisp click when typing, remember that you're experiencing years of engineering evolution, all packed into something you barely think about. What do you think the future of mobile haptics could hold? Could we see pressure-sensitive vibrations, directional feedback, or even haptics that mimic textures? Keep exploring and stay curious.